And what happened with the industrialization, everything that was produced with microbes was sterilized prior to be sent to the supermarkets. Our system is used to take this healthy bacteria in the body. So this is how we are made. The years have shown that modern societies have much higher incidence of autoimmune diseases, showing that our immune system gets confused because we do not ingest the bacteria as we should, or the yeasts as we should, in a natural surroundings. So now when we are ingesting sterile food, then the system gets confused and it starts to react against body parts, and then we get autoimmune diseases.